This is Bruce from Long Island Real Estate Podcast, and I'm here with Steve Ochs from Wells Fargo Home Mortgage in Hauppauge, New York. How you doing, Steve?
I'm doing great.
Thanks. We are going to ask you a couple of questions as homeowners, and I'm in the market myself. And the question I have for you, Steve, is what does a person need to qualify for a mortgage?
Three things that people need. They need income, they need credit up to a certain standard, and something called a down payment, and that's going to be determined in the appraisal and loan process. And those are the three items that people need.
Okay, and you said down payment. What is the minimum percentage that someone would need to put down, or a dollar amount?
Minimum dollar amount depends on the purchase price of the home, but for normal homes under $400,000 as an example, somewhere in the area of 3% down to 2 3/4% down would be the minimum down payment.
Okay, so I'm sure most people don't have a lot of money, so 2 to 3%, I can make that a little bit larger, maybe $10,000 to $15,000, I would say. And that's pretty much 3%.
That's correct. There are some programs like the VA program where somebody that's a veteran can benefit and have up to 100% financing.
That's great. And what would you say an average the minimum credit score would be to be considered?
VA, FHA can go as low as 500s with reasonable credit explanations. Obviously, we're more comfortable if the numbers are higher, but in certain circumstances, that'll work.
That's great. Okay, so to recap, to qualify for a mortgage, you need an income, a down payment, and you said a decent credit score.
Right.
Okay. Well, if people need to contact you to find out if they qualify, how can they get you?
They can reach me on my cell. That's 516 area code 607-2958.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Steve.
Oh, you're welcome.